Today is a very exciting day.
Not true.
COVID Corona beard. Whoa. Well, we finished for the night. It's pretty late. We snuck past Macca's on the way home to grab a cheeky chai latte and some French fries. But had a pretty successful night, so after finishing work, both Em and I headed over to the new house and we began mudding all the cracks in the plasterboard to tidy the place up. And so we pretty much mudded the whole house tonight, which was great. We'll have to go back and sand the plasterboard down and re-mud in a few spots where we've missed or it needs a second skim coat. But we're glad to have the mudding done, and that means sanding and paint prep. So it'll be time to tape off all the windows ready for spraying and taping off the edging on the floor so we don't get any paint on the plasterboards. Then we should be good to go to spray this weekend, which is really exciting, and the whole place will probably change. Once we get the Sparky in and do some new light fixtures and fans and things like that, spray job as well, it's going to change completely, so pretty exciting. We're going to call it a night and we'll see you soon. So a quick update, we did not have the best day yesterday. We did all the sugar soaping, patching and prepping, and we started trying to spray with the airless sprayer, and the paint we have, I don't know, seems to be like 200 to 300 litres of this paint that we got at Lloyd's auctions, so an online auction, and it turns out all the paint is rubbish. So we made a bit of a mistake there, so there's a couple $100 wasted on dodgy paint. So we called it a day yesterday afternoon, washed up the spray at the airless sprayer, and basically we're back again today to start fresh. I'm going to clean up the mess that we made yesterday with the sprayer. That the paint was so thin it was dripping everywhere. So all on the corner seam and on the windows there's paint I need to wipe off or sand back, depending on how wet it is, to try and remove the paint drips from the master bedroom mainly. And then we're going to do a little bit more prep work in the bathroom and the kitchen, and then we should be ready to spray and get this whole place looking fresh and clean, hopefully in no time flat. That's most of the crap paint gone. Time to get to the real stuff. Let's go. Tape up the bathroom, put down some drop sheets, get rid of some ants that we've got in the sunroom, and then we'll get painting and hopefully give this place a fresh new look.
You tired?
What's that?
You tired? It's looking really good.
What's that?
It's looking good.
It is looking really good. I need you to fix up the bathroom and the kitchen. Those are the two main spots.
As in prep them?
As in
Prep them?
prep them?
Prep.
Prep them!
Prep them!
Prep them!
Sounds good.
That looks a lot better.
Nice.
A lot.
Yeah. So I reckon a second coat will be good.
Just like it's still got this much left.
Okay.
And I started a new bucket.
Nice.
I reckon if you can prep the kitchen and the bathroom, be able to finish the house today for a first coat.
Nice.
Getting there, much happier than I was this morning
Yeah.
with the progress, so it's good. There'll be a bit of overspray to clean up on the glass, but that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, that should just scrape off.
Yeah, it'll scrape off. It's looking good. No, wipe more paint on my face.